Hey guys, I'm over at the Pop Century Resort. I'm at the Everything Pop store here. As you guys are walking in, the first thing you're going to catch is you can walk straight through the back. And that guy looking back at us. But you're going to see you can walk right over into the food area, or you'll walk right into this, it's a store slash gift shop. So if you guys are over on this side, this is all your gift ideas that you guys are going to be coming in, checking out, buying and stuff like that. You've got the hats, your shirts, just like everything else. We've done this video a few times. This is just a fresh one for you. Give you a look around at what we got there with these. You got the hot cold cups. Over on the other side, straight across, you've got your general store section, and you still have more gift shop over there. But this is what's new over here at the Everything Pop store. I'll walk around, sling the camera around so you guys can see what hats are available right now, what shirts are out there right now. So they got a mix and match, just like pretty much every store, but they got a really good section of the stuffies over here. The shirts, they're right in them little picture frames, and you can get any of them that are on the shelf. Once again, I like the ones that are out here because I like looking at these guys. Even though there's probably a million of them to be sold, they're not on the wall where everyone can choose from. So when they run out, that's it. Not the one that they're going to keep replenishing. You've got your backpacks, you've got the Mickey ears, and it's a wide open store. The thing I like about this one store here, you're not going in and stuck in and then walking back out. You can walk out there right now, jump right on the buses. This takes you right on outside. I'm just going back here to show you guys this little cutty corner back here. So they do have a little corner that sells backpacks and stuff like that. And the thing that's cool about it is you've got 3 different entrance points. Back here where the buses are, and I want to show you that little window right there. Or you can go back out to the main lobby section, or you can go into where you guys are going to be eating and dining and stuff like that. So this is cool because it's open, and it makes it that much bigger in here. And the walls going into the dining section only go up so high, so it gives you the appearance as you get down further that this is a really, really big shop. And it actually is a real big shop. I just keep swinging the camera for you, give you guys a better idea what's out there right now. And you can see they've got all the Halloween season out right now, so you know it's October. And we'll be getting out here and getting this also reshot for Christmas. We're gonna get all the Christmas stores. So everything that's all decorated out for Christmas, the resorts, we're gonna make our way around. Once again, get all fresh holiday ones out for you. But for now, we're in here during the holiday season. There's a look in the back where the restaurant and the dining area is. There's some more shirts out here. I wanna cut across to the other side right now. Show you a look at the Halloween bags right there. But this is the general store side. You're going to have a little bit of selection over here. It's not that big just because you've got the restaurant right behind it. You've got your pins and stuff. You got your magic bands on the wall over yonder there. You do got your sodas and snacks and stuff. Not a real big selection like most of them, but you're connected right up against the food. But there's your magic bands right now. These are the latest ones they're offering, so if you guys are over here, if you see anything that you're interested in, that's where it's going to be. If not, leave us a message. We'll go out and shoot one. If you guys are looking for us to shoot specific ones, we will. But here's your snacks, your general store area, your mugs, your kitchen items and stuff like that. Pretty much the same as every other store and stuff like that. But this is the Everything Pop store over at Pop Century. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys on the next one.